Hello. I watched on lynda.com, I watched this video on Evernote. Just from the research I did from watching the video, I've never heard of it before. Um, Looking at it, it reminds me a lot of the Google Classroom, how you could put different folders and notebooks in this case. So it gave me right away once I logged on. It was very, very simple to log on. It gave me my notebook. So there's nothing in it, of course, but I can add whatever I want. Each notebook could be made private, or you could share it, just like in Google. But to make a new notebook, it's very, very simple. Click this corner right here. So I was just starting to do just different health periods. So I have health period one already, so I'll do health period two and continue. So now I have those two periods right there. And see right here where it says shared with, only you, and only you right there. Um, you could share the notebook, rename the notebook, add to shortcuts, add to stack. So it's very, very helpful to have all that. This is my notebook right here. I could add different types of notes. So right here, you go down blank note, meeting note, to do, weekly planner, project plan, lecture note, essay outline, meal planner, daily reflection. So like in my notebook that I wouldn't share with anyone else, I could always do like a meal planner. I could do essay outlines, lecture notes, so just lecture notes for myself, and then I could share them throughout the year. I think it'd be very, very helpful to use this because I could make notes or make my curriculum for the entire year. I could save it in this, and then I could share or drag and drop stuff as it goes. So, but even for like meetings. So, as a teacher, of course, you have a lot of meetings. There's faculty meetings. I'm a first year teacher, so I have new teacher meetings. So it takes up a lot of time and it's hard to remember. You could get one of those desk calendars and just write it all on there. But having something that will actually remind you on your phone or on your laptop or the computer, like send you an email, is definitely very, very helpful since the world is technology now. Um, so that's definitely a very helpful thing. You could do date and time, goal, attendees, me. You could add people as you go. You could share it with other teachers if you'd like to. So if everyone had this, um, what the meetings we talking about, so you could add whatever. So I could just put like new teacher right there. And then like I said, I could share it with anyone I want. So which I find to be very awesome. There's other section that has tags on it. So anyone that comes on the page, and I could say like kind of like a hashtag, you could put a tag onto something. So you could say that you tagged everything health period one. Someone could type in that tag, and it would pop up. Obviously, there's nothing right now because I haven't created anything. But you could type in any type of tag. If I was my exercise physiology class, you could type that as well. The shortcuts. So you can add different shortcuts, either whether to your page, into the corner, add right here. It's not a big deal. Stuff that you want to delete, some notes you want to get rid of. But this is like I said, it's the free version. Everything you get can upgrade. So you could get a new upgrade, and you could pay for certain different types of ads for it, like a subscription. But the free one seems like it's fine. Like there's nothing wrong with it at all. It would be a little ridiculous to pay for this, since Google Classroom, like I said, is everything is free there, so it would be a little ridiculous. But yeah, overall, seems like a great site. I'm probably gonna actually try to use it, see how user friendly it is compared to Google. Yeah, that's really it.